The outdoor wireless doorbell waterproof house chime kit is a reliable and convenient solution for your home's doorbell needs. With its waterproof design and long wireless range, this doorbell kit is suitable for outdoor use and ensures that you never miss a visitor again. Here's a detailed review of its features and benefits. The doorbell transmitter is IP55 waterproof rated, making it suitable for outdoor use. It can withstand various weather conditions, ensuring reliable operation all year round. The doorbell has a wireless range of up to 300 meters, allowing you to hear the doorbell from anywhere in your home or garden. You can place the receiver in a convenient location and never miss a visitor again. The doorbell offers a selection of melodies to choose from, allowing you to customize the sound to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a traditional chime or a more modern tune, this doorbell has you covered. The doorbell is easy to install and comes with everything you need to set it up. Simply plug in the receiver, mount the transmitter near your door, and pair the two devices. No wiring is required, making installation a breeze. The doorbell features an LED indicator on both the transmitter and receiver, providing a visual alert when the doorbell is pressed. This is especially useful in noisy environments or for those with hearing impairments. Both the transmitter and receiver are battery-powered, eliminating the need for wiring or a power source. The transmitter uses a 12 volts 23A battery, while the receiver uses 3 AA batteries not included.